here on this page, you have the stuff you have terminated your previous session. If you haven't, click here before restarting doing stuff. That might help something. After you're running the code, you hit this button, or you can hit them at the same time, but it won't run at the same time. That code thing will run afterwards. You can expand it as well, but I don't see the use of that. Now, just wait. But my original intention was to give it a list of names, like a thing namer, a cryptid namer, I guess, like the something something. Then it would fill in the blanks using the image. And it worked pretty well for this one demo case. But I mean, besides appearance, it can make guesses at stuff. And that's why I think it's so fun. Of course, user experiences may vary. Almost done running. After that is done running, I'll show you how to run code. Woo! AI is gonna revolutionize the thing, apparently. But I mean, this is pretty useful besides this one use I've made, such as feature defining and then comparing it to a database. You could do semi-facial facial recognition. You could pass on stuff to a different neural network that only uses text. Of course, I can't wait for DALL-E to come out by OpenAI. That would be a fucking leap. Pictures of my face. Here. This is my favorite image. I'm going to pull it up. Because it's a funny image. But ta-da! It's the thing I made, not an MS Paint. Alright, now we have to describe the focus. Is a person, an animal, a picture, etc. This is a creature. The creature is / isn't and it gives a response. And then it should give the colors of the image, of the creature of the image. due to its parsing out of these things and then creating a sentence for each one. The more backslashes you have, the more possibilities there will be. The creature is white and white. I mean, pretty lucky guess. It doesn't have any defining creatures. Is the creature is angry, and it creates a whole story. Down. But another thing. You do that, you can choose another image. Take, for instance, my face. Person. And then you can do that if you want. Press enter. The person is not wearing glasses, etc. This is kind of a thing, a toy wraparound of a complex thing that I find interesting. I know that's kind of it. I was wondering if I could market it or something, but oh well. It's all open source. Why the fuck such a low percentage? Come on, AI. Daniel.